Welcome to Dihazi Echo, your ultimate destination for coding, programming, and tech mastery. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, this channel will help you learn, grow, and master the world of coding. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for regular programming tips and tutorials. Are you interested in creating beautiful, interactive websites? Want to build amazing user experiences like those on Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram? Today, I'm going to show you how to become a front-end developer from scratch. Front-end development starts with three fundamental technologies: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML, the structure of a web page. Think of it as the skeleton of a website. CSS, the design and styling. This is where websites get their colors, fonts, and layouts. JavaScript, the brain of the website. It makes websites interactive and dynamic.